welcome back to Kayla Ray Connor's channel. Today I am going to be making milk art, and for this project you'll need some pepper, you will need a bowl of dish soap, you'll need half a cup of milk, you might need a napkin, that's optional. You will need a plate or a bowl, one of those. And you need a bunch of Q-tips. The last thing you need is a couple of different colors of food dye. And now let's get started. So first you get your cup of milk and you pour it in the bowl. Then after you do that, you don't need this cup anymore, so we'll just put that there. Next, you need to choose two colors. So I like choosing this light pink. There's two different pinks I have. I have a light pink and a dark pink. I like using the light pink and the blue. So first, you get your one of your colors and you put one single dot in the middle of food coloring, and then with the other color you put 3 dots around it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after you do that, you need to add some of the pepper into the dish. So the pepper is optional. You don't need to do the pepper, but I like doing the pepper. And then you're going to get your Q-tip, dip it in, and then with the dish soap, and then you're gonna dip it in, and it just slowly does that, and and you can spin it, and it makes like a fidget spinner, and it makes so many different colors. Okay, and you need to use a bunch of different Q-tips. So next, you will get another one, and you get more dish soap with pepper. The pepper you might need to use, and then you add more, and then you swirl it, and then you could add more colors. I'm gonna use the dark pink this time. I'm gonna add 1 dot in the middle, and then with this one, I'm gonna add 3 dots on this side. Oops. Is it closing? Okay, I'll just put that there. Okay, and then you get another, and then get more. And sometimes, if you have a certain type of dish soap, it only does it once, but mine is that kind, but a little different, where you can stir it and stuff. And you can always do this at home. You can do it if you're quarantined or something. And you can just see how many different colors you can make. And I like this really light pink is my favorite color to add in here. And I just like dipping it in it and then swirling. It kind of only works the first time, but you can just add more colors. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more salt because I think there's another way to do this. Okay, now I'm gonna add some dish soap. And I'm going to see what it does. I do that, and like if you just leave it there, all the color kind of continues going up a little. And then like you can just add a bunch of different colors. Like I like adding like one drop, and then I like adding one drop of every color and then mixing it. Like sometimes when you put this green in, it makes a blue ring around it. And this purple color, it's like it shows up blue or like really dark purple. And like when you put the blue in, you can like, they kind of look the same, but like you can kind of tell that they're different. So you keep stirring, or that's what I like doing. So, and like if you like don't like your color, you can always add more of a different color. And if you have one color, that's fine too, but it's like crazier when you only have two colors. See, it just rose up on it. And if you only have like one or two, that's fine too. You can still just do this experiment. And some of you guys, some people wear gloves for this stuff, for this kind of thing, but I don't wear gloves because it's just fine. It's fine if I get messy. So, and sometimes you can just pour a little in, and then like it makes a cool clearish, like you can see the bottom of your thing, and like you just stir it. Like it makes a darker color. But if you have a light dish soap, then it might not make that same color. And like a lot of people like just choose their favorite color and then they add like dots around, or they like do like a dot on the plate and stuff, and they just try that, like that. And then they like just add salt on it, and then they just like make it look like that. Like if you ever get salt and you put it in the wet thing, it kind of stays there like glue. Like that's what they do with the food coloring. See, it's just staying there. And then like you can just wipe it down with the dish soap. And like you can just color with it on the walls. It's fun if you only have one Q-tip because it colors your dish soap. That's cool too. Like you could just swing it around like and get more paint and then keep swinging. And like it's even fun to like mess around with the dish soap like and put food coloring in it. Like I used to do this a lot when I was a kid, or when I was younger, like 3 or 4. And like you just put some in, then you stir it. It's like so cool. And it's kind of like stirring colored slime, or like, I don't know, slime. Like you just add a couple drops and you stir it. And then like, it's so cool. Like you can make any color. And then like you can just pour it, a couple of it in. Okay. It's so like just fun to play with it and mess around with it. Okay, so like you can just pour like some red and then stir it. And now I'm out of dish soap, so like if you're out, you can just continue with the salt, or the pepper, I mean. Okay, so, and like you can just like make it look like, I don't know, a cupcake with sprinkles, but don't eat it because there's dish soap in it. Okay, after you add a few, like you can just like try to get it out and stir. Okay, So I'm gonna add this pink. There's one color and now the other. And like you can like lift it and swirl it, and then the food coloring will just do some cool things. And like it's so fun just to swirl. And you can just like swirl it and you can add some food coloring while you're mixing. Oops, that fell. And like you can make so much cool colors. And don't worry if you mess up. Like you can just start again, because like I don't know, it's not that much ingredients, and a lot of you guys have all this stuff. Like the hardest thing to get is probably the food coloring, because not a lot of people have it. So when you're, yeah. And like you can make messes, and like I made a mess. So I'm just gonna lift that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep adding blue. And like you can also do your favorite color and be like, ooh, this is so fun. And like you can put it on the edges, then like you can just like, I don't know, like with your Q-tip, you can just like dab it down and make it go down, like, I don't know. Like you can just like make a whole line out of it. Like look at it, it's so fun. Okay, gonna add. Okay, so I consider trying not to make a mess, because you might get in trouble. And if you're by carpet, don't spill it, or you're definitely gonna get in trouble, because this probably will stain carpet. So, oof. And if you get your fingers, it probably will come out after like a day or two, because it is food coloring. And like you can add every single color. You can add a lot. You can add only one drop and be done. Like it's fun. Like if you didn't have dish soap, you could probably eat it. Well, probably not. There's a lot of pepper. I'm gonna go start cleaning up. First, I'm gonna get a paper towel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.